Just thought I'd make a little update on the mower giveaway. I haven't, that's the mower. It's a 1957 Cooper Cyclo-Mow. It's all restored, and I was going to give it to anyone that came in a 1957 vehicle to get it and was willing to be in a video with their vehicle too. But I've got no response from anyone with the 57 vehicle, so I might add some more years, maybe any of the 50s era cars, maybe even some of the early 60s. Hit me up, you know, if you're interested. But your car's going to be in a video and you're going to be in a video. So again, you know, if you want to take a chance on winning that, hit me up. I haven't really had this out much. I took it out last night, which was Saturday night, and there was quite a few cars out. I was surprised the time previous that I took it out. You know, I started to make a video and cold started the car and went out, and there was no one out the last two times, in fact. So I have two cold start videos with no video that followed because no one else was out. Well, yesterday I didn't even bother with a cold start video, and then I had it out, and then I realized I didn't even have my camera with me. There's quite a few cars out. It was a fun night. I did several laps on Woodward and just had a really good time. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to throw an update on the giveaway. If you're, you know, kind of wanting something like that for your man cave, be the first one that wants to come and get it with your 1950s vehicle. And we'll say 1950 to 1960. How does that sound? And but you got to have your car and you in a video. So to contact me about the mower, go to my About, you know, whether you're on my home, videos, at whatever one, go to About, click on that. That takes you to my About page. Click View Email Address. I don't put it in my videos or in my description because I just get spammed to death if I do. But that's how you get a hold of me if you're interested in trying to get the mower. But again, you have to come over in 1950 to 1960 vehicle, and you have to be willing to be in a video with your vehicle. Another note too, I have not changed the power brake booster yet, or I was going to put a new booster, that one I rebuilt on it, which you can see in a past video. Sitting right here. I have not installed that yet, or the master cylinder, because they just all of a sudden started working correctly. It was pretty nice warm evening last night, and I drove it a long time, and they just worked perfect, flawlessly the whole time. So I don't know if there was something in a valve, or, you know, in the booster, one of those, something was, you know, some dirt, or I don't know what the deal was. But anyway, it's been working fine. So I've just kind of left it alone. Obviously, the mower is a local pickup. You're going to have to come and get it. I'm not shipping it. You know, if you're going to be in a video with your car, I could meet you somewhere nearby. I could throw it in the trunk of the Bel Air and meet you or whatever, but it's definitely a pickup. So anyway, that's it for this quick short video. I just kind of wanted to, maybe the light would be better standing this way. You know, on the mower giveaway, I was going to do it last weekend, which was over the 4th of July, but I didn't have any responses, so I waited, and so today's the first day I've had a chance to make a little video. But if you like the video, definitely hit the like button. It certainly helps, as everyone knows from what all the other tubers ask for. Subscribe if you like my channel, and thank you for watching. There we go. I just turned the sign on.